Butterflies and moths are one of the things we have in our collection in great abundance. So these are large silk moths on one side. This is the Atlas moth, and it's a large tropical species. Probably the largest moth, is the largest moth in the world that I know of. But another tropical species we have is in the silk moth. It's called the Black Witch Moth. And in this case, it's sort of a lighter colored version. This species is in the neotropics, again, and gets into Florida occasionally. But it also occasionally gets caught up in storm fronts and weather fronts that are moving northward from the south. And then when that happens, these have been found as far north as just below the bridge in Michigan, which is a long ways from home. Now we come to some really cool, again, one of my favorite groups in terms of just fascinating diversity of color and a ginormous size are the birdwing butterflies. These are from Southeast Asia and some of the islands off of between Australia and Asia. They're incredibly sized. I mean, they're called birdwings because they are so large. And this one is Ornithoptera, which means birdwing, Goliath supremus. Now, if ever there was a name for something, this is the largest birdwing out there. It's the supreme Goliath birdwing. The other interesting thing about these, they really show the difference in sexual dimorphism between males and females. In insects, females are usually less colorful than the males. Partly because they're carrying the eggs and the brood to reproduce. Males are just carrying sperm, and they also are competing for the attention of the females. So the males are the pretty ones, just often like you see with birds. And in this case, these colors are just really amazing. But again, you can see how big these butterflies are. They're bigger than my hand. And to see them flying around for the first explorers who are looking at these things in their native habitat, it must have just been really amazing to see these things flying around.